Hey guys, welcome back. This is a very brief overview of Cinemachine inside Unity. Cinemachine you download from the package manager. You also need the post-processing stack and Unity's Unity Recorder it's called. So I have a whole bunch of tracks laid out here, animation tracks. I also have the recorder track, an audio track, and up the top here the CM or Cinemachine cameras, and here's each camera, and if I'll just scroll through you can actually see it jumping between each camera. Okay, so you can do some really effective cinematography in here. Okay, you can actually create a entire film if you really want to. So I'm just going to push play and walk you through it, and this is now recording out the track and it's recording audio too. Record it for too long, just for the purpose of this little exercise. So we should be about to change cameras about now. There we go. Nice. Okay, so very quick overview. It's about to change camera. This time it's a transition to the next camera. Nice one. There's the movie it created. And there it is. Fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching.